Hello, I'm Jun Saito. Today, I'm telling you a compressor repair history. My compressor has two problems. The first one is the restart pressure is very low, or the restart motor torque is very low. The second one is the pressure relief valve is open at maximum pressure. Now, I'm telling you the problem detail. The pressure increases to 0.9 megapascal, the compressor stops. The pressure relief valve opens. The second, pressure relief valve closed at 0.7 megapascal. Next, motor tried to start and rotate a little bit, but no start. Finally, the compressor restart at 0.35 megapascal. I want to change the restart pressure 0.35 megapascal. I'm telling you the voltage switch screws. We have two screws for adjustment. The first one is the adjustment for max pressure. The second one is the adjust pressure difference between max pressure and restart pressure. I adjusted two screws but no change. For some reasons, the restart torque is very low. Deteriorated condenser could reduce the restart torque, so I changed the condenser. I changed the condenser. Unfortunately, no change. Why? To analyze these problems, I measure voltage at motor terminals. Good pressure and voltage relation is as follows. The first, the pressure increases to maximum pressure and compressor stops. During the pressure decreases, the voltage should be zero. The motor restart, the voltage should be 100 volts. Measuring result is as follows. The first, the pressure increases to maximum pressure and compressor stops. Second, motor rotates a little bit but no start. At this moment, voltage 93 volts, not 100. The third, motor rotates a little bit but no start. Voltage 93 volt. The fourth, motor restart at 0.35 megapascal, voltage 100 volts. For some reason, the low voltage could restart pressure makes low. I diagnosis the internal resistance is high on the bad pressure switch. It led to low voltage. New switch has come. I installed new pressure switch. It restart at 0.55 megavolts, but the pressure relief valve opens at max pressure. It makes compressor busy. I want pressure relief valve closed at 0.7 megapascal. I tried to adjust pressure relief valve, but unfortunately no pressure relief adjustment. I disassemble the switch here, dotted line. Here is the picture inside of the switch. Switch off action pushes the pressure relief valve through this push rod. I make this push rod short, not to relief valve open. Diameter 3.2 meter, depth 1.5 millimeter. Here is the result. The pressure increased to 0.7 megapascal and the compressor stops. No pressure relief valve open. and as the pressure decrease, it's restart at 0.55 megapascal. I have enjoyed compressor repair for 4 weeks. I am so happy now.